Hey there, welcome to Villa Veneto. Today we'll be touring the La Messina floor plan. It is a 1x1, 1,003 square feet. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in, you'll be greeted with your living room and kitchen area. Standard appliances in the kitchen. The kitchen leads straight into the garage area as well, built in the convenience of your own home. We'll take a look at the living room. Nice, spacious area. And very conveniently leads into a nice mini backyard space. This space also leads into the bedroom area. And the bedroom comes with your own walk-in closet. We'll walk back out in the hallway to tour the bathroom. And there you have it. That is your 1,003 square feet, 1x1 Messina floor plan. If you have any questions or if you're interested in renting, please see the details in the description below. Otherwise, this is Palm Valley's Villa Veneto. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for touring.